Anime Kyle here, back with another package. This one is from Wish, and inside is Itachi Uchiha from Naruto. Sasuke's older brother, holder of the Mangekyo Sharingan, one of the three. So this box has a lot of tape on it, and I don't even know where to begin. Jesus. That's a lot of tape. You have to bear with me, people. So Itachi is probably my favorite character from Naruto. In it, he kills a lot of his clan, but you don't really know his reasoning for it. Sasuke kind of always hates his older brother, while his older brother was always looking out for his younger brother. It's quite cute, quite sweet. The Uchiha brothers, doing their thing. Alright. Why would they make this so difficult to open? Like, I'm glad it's packaged so well. Yeah. Protect the merchandise and everything. But it would be cool to get to the merchandise even. Sorry about my hair. I try to gel it down, but it doesn't always do what I tell it to. So sorry if this is loud. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Not gonna lie, there will be some styrofoam. You might make a slight mess trying to open it. Hey, I found a lid. Good enough for me. So, now that it's popped open, enough to get inside at least. Jeez Louise. Okay. Well, after some effort, I finally got through. Got some bubble wrap on top. Wow. Inside, he's already in place, so that's nice. Not much assembly required. I thought this was Amaterasu at the bottom, but the flames aren't actually black. So behind him, he's got this stone slab with the Uchiha clan symbol. It's got the flames here at the base. And then around him he's got his crows from his genjutsu. So the base, there's 2 pegs for his feet. Just places in. There's like a name tag on the base, the stand, but you can't really read it. And he comes with 1 extra crow. There's a slot for it in his arm here. And that is Itachi Uchiha. So, thank you for tuning in for this unboxing. I would appreciate it if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe.